A new report says more than 1 million people in Ontario used a food bank last year, the most ever. The data comes just ahead of Giving Tuesday, fueling a push for donations at local food banks. Sean Cowan joins us live tonight and has more from Burlington. Good evening, Sean.
Good evening, Jason. Well, for the past 9 years, Feed Ontario says the numbers have been going up. Now, to put that into perspective, last year, 1 in 3 people who used a food bank used one for the very first time. Food banks across Hamilton, Halton, and Niagara are all saying the same thing. The demand is growing.
Before, we were always referred to as a Band-Aid solution. That's what food banks were referred to in Canada. We're actually now paramedics of the society. Folks need us every single month.
And some of the people who come and access the food bank may have previously been donors, and they are in a pinch right now, and they are coming to use our services.
People rely on our programs for their food, for themselves and their family, and access is steady throughout the month.
According to Feed Ontario, a provincial advocacy group for food banks, the number of people who use a food bank is on the rise. Last year, over 1 million people needed a food bank, and there were almost 9 million visits. 1 in 4 were employed, but still did not earn enough to make ends meet.
And the reality is that we're seeing families really move from just getting by to barely holding on. It's really an increased depth of need is what we're seeing with such a significant increase in visits. You know, prior to the pandemic, we used to see people 4 to 5 times a year. Now we're seeing people 8 to 9 to 10 times per year.
Food banks rely on donations, so with tomorrow being Giving Tuesday, they have a message for those who are able to help.
If you are able to give, donate to a food bank, donate to any social service organization that is near and dear to your heart.
Giving Tuesday is a wonderful reminder that everybody should have the opportunity to celebrate the holidays for themselves and their families. It's an opportunity to give back and to make sure that everybody has that same opportunity.
And people are generally just struggling to make ends meet.
And if you would like to make a donation to a food bank, you can see a link on our website, chch.com. And Feed Ontario says for every $1 that you donate to a food bank, you can provide 2 meals to someone in need.